so windy right now. So windy right now. But can I tell you that I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't done a vlog in 6 months. So pretty much yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much, and I honestly don't know if you have missed me. The police jeep just passed slow down over India, so wow. Some of them are looking up. I don't know if you guys have missed me, but I have missed you guys so much. A lot has happened over the past 6 or 7 months, so I have to do a whole video, an entire video on that by itself. As you can see right now, I am walking mud. I am walking to go get a cabbie, taxi, whichever you guys call it. So before I was rudely interrupted by someone. Anyhow, I was saying that I'm here, but as you can see, I'm actually in the taxi right now. I am heading to a fun day at a school where I was at for 3 months. They asked me to come and do face painting, so I honestly don't know nothing about face painting, but I'm gonna try my best to see what's happening, what is going to happen. I think I was supposed to be there probably from after 10 this morning. Now it is little bit.
One five one Jack can carry you one.
But not have it.
Yeah, go past school.
Yeah.
Okay. So ready still.
Alright. And then the man come ask me for the bank give. I come to me say 1 5 Jack and camera me I go. When you hear me I chat on about the car, when you hear me have no money for chat on about the car. So me I go was the school where I was at for 3 months on something called teaching practice that is related. It's like an experience for school, but it's a great experience. Yes. That's basically yes. So as I said, I was saying a lot happened, and I am here now doing this vlog. My first video that I wanted to post, I was going to post a first video saying where was I, what happened to me, blah blah blah. But I'm like, today I can do a vlog. Like, let me do a vlog. And guys, I did my wig myself. I installed my wig myself. Yeah. I wanted everything to go to the back. So yes, that's what I did. And over the past those months though, I have been crushing wigs, like doing wigs myself, doing everything myself, like honestly. So I have been upgrading myself also too. So guys, that's like wow. So yes, I don't know what else to say right now, but other from that, I'm here in the taxi waiting. I'm just reflecting on the point where the man said, "Oh, 1 5 bills can't carry weight." I'm get it from. Tell me where I'm get it from. Anyhow, I'm here. Here, just waiting on the taxi to get some passengers. Guys, Evo, look here. Before me, Evo, cut out this clip here. Over the entire. Let me make sure checks are not hear me. Come they attack? Let me check. So over the entire summer, I was not busy, and I did not do much vlogs. My best friend goes and said, "Oh, you're worthless. Feel like get day off arena, vlog nothing, and I like your working and nothing." So, but to be honest with you, I have two vlogs that I'm going to post. Two vlogs that I am going to post. One is when I went to Niagara Falls, and one was the preparation for my birthday. So the taxi ready, soon come back to now. This is totally a talking vlog, just a whole heap of talking. Like, honestly, I never show you guys the fun day that I went to. I think it wasn't presentable, so I didn't even bother to show you guys the fun day. This is what I'm in though. I am walking home. As you can see, I'm leaving the college. That's another update for you guys. I don't board anymore. I live off campus, so you guys can look out for home tour and all of them something there for the Christmas. Yes. Guys, what is it? There's nothing in this vlog. Like, mega post it if you don't want talking vlog. So I mean, this is just a welcome back vlog. Let's say this is a welcome back vlog. Like, yeah, welcome back vlog. That's it. I have some videos to make. I have a lot of videos because I have a lot of ideas. Guys, this bush is a shortcut. Me I walk through. For those who don't know, them say shortcut job blood. So you guys are my company to go through this shortcut. So anyhow, I have a lot of videos planned to do. What else? Yeah, I have a lot of videos planned to do for this Christmas. I am honestly, as you guys can see, I'm not doing vlogmas. Definitely not doing vlogmas for this year. I cannot take up that right now. I don't have much to do to really say I'm going to do vlogmas. So I'm not bother with that. But I will vlog now and then. Yep. So that is that. So yeah. So guys, look out for a home tour. I have a home tour, but I'm not going to do that video until we get all the fixtures for our place, because we're missing some stuff. So we have some stuff coming, and the shipment is kind of taking a bit of time because it's sending down in a container, and the container to be cleared by somebody, and also there's something. We have some fixtures in that needs to go in our place to make it complete, like, you know, to make it our comfort zone and all of that. But I still do live in Moneague. I live a few minutes from the college, so that is that. Oh my god, I wish this was done, like, you know, when there's much bush there, I would definitely make that my thumbnail. Guys, as I said, this is a talking vlog. So I'll definitely call this vlog like Let's Talk, you know, and welcome back vlog. As you guys know, this is Jamaica. I'm not living in a Walipa tall building place, Walipa bush. So you guys just make note of that, like, you know, lots of bush, whatever. So yes, I break from what I was saying. So yes, as soon as we get all our fixtures and everything is together and our little area is just in one piece and feels very homely, I will definitely come and do a our name do a oh my god, where's my memory going? Do a home tour for you guys. So that is what's up. I am on my way walking home. I am going home to prepare something for dinner. Depends on what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm going to prepare something for dinner because I'm not really hungry, but I live with my boyfriend, so yes, that's another new update that has took place in my life. So so guys, yes, but when we reach home, I'm definitely checking back with you guys. Okay, so guys, I am home. I'm home right now, and I'm about to do a little straightening up because some straightening up on going. Guys, just a little sneak peek. This is like the curtain decor that I went with for this year. Yes, it's a curtain decor that I went with for this year, and it's a nice cushion them. That's just a sneak peek. So I'm home and I'm about to do a little straightening up because I rushed out. Everybody rushed out this morning, so we both rushed out this morning, and the place is a bit of mess. So I'm gonna do some straightening up. So I'll come back to you. I said I was gonna come back when I get home, but now I'm home and then I realized I have to do some straightening up. So I have to do the straightening up, and then after I do the straightening up, then I will find the time to come back to you guys. Okay? So peeps, this is our Christmas tree. But even that mega show now. Our Christmas tree. Yes. And we decided to put these stuff right here. The balls, the remaining balls that you never put on the tree, at the front right here. We have some gifts on there, but some of them are gifts that needs to be unboxed. Stuff that were ordered that needs to be unboxed. So, yep. That's just what's up. Guys, right now I'm about to got this dirty blouse and everything. And I'm going to go grab on some food that Odin took home. So, yeah. So guys, the food that I'm going to grab on. I have curry goat, jerk chicken, jerk pork, and this is sweet potato and Irish mash together. So they're both together, and I'm going to grab on this right now.